Hi and welcome. This is your 6-week SI joint clinic. This is where you learn to once and for all end your pain and really understand how your sacroiliac joint works in conjunction with your low back and your hips and everything else. We're going to address the root cause of what's actually going on, because sacroiliac joint dysfunction is always a secondary issue of a root cause. So your hips will feel better, your low back will feel better, and of course, your SI will feel better, all the same. So this is a 6-week program. It gives you 5 movement practices every week and 2 rest days every week. Throughout the program, we're going to make suggestions for how best to work with the exercises that we teach here. You'll find that you'll probably want to do maybe 1 or 2 of the stretches every day, or the positions every day, just because it feels good. And then the movement practices are going to help you do things like isolate and strengthen your glutes that haven't been firing up as well as they should. So you'll, in addition to ending the pain, you're going to feel a lot stronger in your body too. So really, my hope here for you is, my intention is that you feel better every day when you come to your practice. And if I were doing this all over again, I did this 16 years ago, but if I were doing all of this over again, what I would do is I would track my progress throughout the healing. I can tell you it took me about 6 weeks to end my SI joint pain, but I'm not sure because I didn't record it. I notice that when I do healing work, or when I do any program that's a progression, and this is a progression because you're going to get stronger as we go through the 6 weeks. Anytime I'm looking back at the progress I've made, it really motivates me as I'm moving forward and building more momentum. So keep that in mind, track your progress, and give yourself those congrats every week for showing up for yourself and taking control of your own body and your own destiny. Enjoy. I am here, so feel free to reach out. And best wishes for speedy recovery and wisdom. One more thing. The 6 weeks, some people like to go through the whole course as intended, 6 weeks, 5 movement sessions a week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then repeat the whole program again, which is great. Some people like to do practice 1 and then repeat it until they have a really good understanding of that practice 1, and then move on to practice 2. But it's up to you. However you work best with the program is perfectly fine and wonderful. Again, my best wishes to you for your healing program. Let's get into it.